Fel Zarost served as chief librarian of the Night Lords during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Born on Holy Terra within the prison sinks beneath Albia, Fel Zarost would serve his legion with distinction during the Great Crusade until its reunion with his Primarch, Konrad Curze, on the world of Nostromo. Disgusted with the new recruits and culture drawn into the Legion, Zarost would become despondent with the Legion's criminal ethos and ideals. With the Nostramans supplanting the remaining Terran Astartes within the Legion, the veteran Astartes would observe his Legion's wholesale adoption and enjoyment of Terra tactics. With the Edict of Nikea's dissolution of the Librarius within the Legions, Zarost would seek an audience with the Night Lord's first captain, Jago Sevatarian. Demanding judgment for the Legion's librarians with the absence of their Primarch, Zarost would be struck by Sevatar and be cast out from the Legion. His armoured gauntlets stained red with censure, Zarost would be condemned to death should he ever be met by the Night Lords again. Enraged, Zarost would unleash his powers and cast Sevatar across the chamber and slam Jago's head into the command throne of their Primarch. Accusing Sevatar of murdering his legion, Fel Zarost would be struck by Jago's own repressed psychic might. Seeking to prevent further bloodshed, Zarost would return to his birthplace, Holy Terra. Captured by the Knights Errant, Zarost would use his psychic powers to reveal his past and events leading to this return to his captors. Observing the minds of the Knights, he would reveal their own tales of broken oaths, betrayal, and murder of their traitorous Primarchs. Offered the chance to serve within the Sigillites' grey-clad clandestine order, Fel Zarost would join the Knights Errant. With the end of the Horus Heresy, 8 members of the surviving Knights Errant would be chosen to lead a new order of Astartes as their newly appointed Grand Masters. Fel Zarost would renounce his former name and as Chiron become one of the 8 Titans of the Grey Knights Order. His honor restored in the name of the Emperor, and his duty to preserve his Imperium absolute.